Chapter 12. Addition. Concept of addition. There are 4 pencils in the first stand. There are 5 pencils in the second stand. If we add them together, they will be 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now, the third stand has 9 pencils. Plus is the sign of addition and it is read as plus. Is equal to is the sign of equal to or is same as. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Is read as 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 or 5 plus 4 is same as 9. Addition in columns. We can add numbers in 2 ways, across and down.